We're very fortunate in today's quilting world that wadding comes in various sizes, anything up to 120 inches square, which is a super king. But because of that, we tend to have forgotten that you can actually join wadding. When I first started quilting, that was the only option we had, and we used to join it by hand. Well, like anything, things have moved on, and I want to just remind you that you can join wadding, and there are 2 or 3 lovely products on the market, or you can use your trusted sewing machine. I am using grey thread so that you can see. I've set my machine to zigzag. I've used an open-toed foot, again, so that you can see. But you do, if you're going to use a zigzag, remember you must have a foot that's got a big space here to allow the needle to zig and zag. If you don't, there'll be a crash and you'll have broken a needle.